The manufacturing line worker role in Romania is an entry-level position suitable for individuals without prior work experience. It comes with visa sponsorship.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
The job details include 18 to 45 years. It comes with visa sponsorship. The contract type is full-time and the required knowledge is just basic assembly skills. The role offers several benefits, including competitive salary, job security, and opportunity for personal and professional growth through health and safety training. And your responsibility includes operating machinery according to guidelines, ensuring product quality through inspections, packaging and labeling finished goods, maintaining a clean workspace, and collaborating with team members to meet production targets. So when you get to the website, the link will be in the description section. You can see factory hands/process workers. This one is a full-time job, and here is the location. It is an on-site parking, and you can read the full description here. The duties, you can read it here, and you can also read about the company here. This is for industrial cleaners, and the pay is from £27 an hour. It is permanent and it is full-time. The shift is overtime, weekend availability, the location, the benefits, and the full job description. You work 38 hours per week over 4 days and have 3 days off. 1 day of weekend work will be required. You can also see tea, coffee, milk plus fresh fruit provided free. Free on-site parking, uniform and relevant safety equipment is provided also. We also have parking floor production administrator. We have afternoon shift factory and production workers, assistant store manager. You see a lot of these job options here, and they all come with visa sponsorship. Give it a try now, and I wish you success.
alexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.